understand that being an artist is not such a different task as being a teacher, because in photographs we teach the world, and being a teacher, maybe we try to make people understand those images. So somehow there are similar dimensions in different matters. But in my own case, with my own projects as an artist, I would like to advocate or to teach how to react critically to the authority of photographs. And because of that, maybe I'm not only holding a pedagogic concern, maybe my work is having also a prophylactic dimension, in the sense that I want to prevent the problem of falsification, the problem of manipulation, the problem of fictional discourse, which is somehow underlying the photographic images. Photography has been contributing to an idea of classification, of taxonomy, to the idea to do a repertory or a catalog of the world. And somehow an institution, a museum like this one, the Lazzaro Spallanzani, is a kind of precursor of this intellectual impulse. Spallanzani was collecting all these species to understand nature, to study the real world. And I think that photographers are in debt to this kind of intellectual concerns. Myself, as an artist, I feel very inspired by the place, by Spallanzani's ideas, and by the result of his collection obsession. In Reggio Emilia Fotografia Europea, I am presenting two different projects. At one side, Gastropoda, which is a series of images eaten by snails. This means images which have been somehow distracted by the hunger of wild snails. And in doing so, I'm pointing the issue of authorship, who are the final authors of the result, the snails or myself, but also about the biological life of images. We need that images die in order to make other new images born. And the second project, which is titled Secret Fauna, is about Carta Bianca that I've been offered by the museum to browse among their archives and select some materials to establish a dialogue with the current Spallanzani's display. And I've been luckily found interesting photographs and documents by an obscure naturalist, a German naturalist called Professor Peter Meisenhaufen, who was here in the 30s to study one of Spallanzani's discoveries, which is a kind of strange fish, which is only here in that museum. So I will be displaying photographs and other documents by this Meisenhaufen professor, together with the dialogue with some of the other elements in the Spallanzani's collection.